is no more sin that is going to hold you back. Sin cannot have dominion over you anymore because you are now his. You're washed, you're sanctified, and you are justified. It's like a triple blessing. Whom the Son has set free is free indeed. And so I mentioned that today's message was a very short message. It's a message of redemption. It's a message of restoration. And so here's how I want to end the service today. I want us to have some one-line testimonies. No, when I say one line means one line. One line means you come and you say something as simple as this. I didn't know God, but Jesus restored me to himself. If you don't have anything else to say, you can use this line. You can be specific, you can be general, but I want you to come and testify. Whom the Son has set free is free indeed. So just form one line right there. Everybody who wants to come and participate in this, just form a one line. And this is going to be easy. You don't have to give us a long story. Just come and give us that one line that tells you, I have been restored. Come on.